Hey, what's going on? I am IWrocker, and looky here, we got VHT Niteshades, and I got a junk car here that I, as you can see, kind of mess around with, and we're gonna see kind of stupid experiment if you can even semi-legit tint your windows with VHT Niteshades. As you can see, these are factory tinted rear windows, and of course these windows are not tinted at all. So we're gonna try it on the front window there, and we're just gonna see how it turns out. It's not gonna be super scientific. I'm not gonna tape it off because I don't care about this car. So this is just kind of an experiment to see if it even looks halfway decent. And if it does, then maybe this could be kind of an edgy way to tint your windows if you really wanted to for, you know, 10 bucks. Okay, first coat. First coat is done. There's a real tinted window. And there's one light coat of VHT Niteshade. Okay, so first analysis. Good reference point would be the windshield, which is not tinted, obviously. It is a little bit tinted with, you know, a blackish look. But more so, a negative is you lose that shininess, that reflection. So a window is kind of like a mirror, right? It reflects. And this, look at the reflection of the trees. It's very, very hazy, very cloudy. Okay, we're gonna apply a second coat now. I'm gonna go a little heavy on this one. Okay, second coat is done. I'll be honest with you. I mean, this stuff is kind of cool. I didn't clean this or prep it or nothing, and it actually kind of looks better on the second coat. And I would argue looks a little less hazy and more shiny. Not quite like a regular tint, but better than before. It looks a little more shiny. Maybe a third or even a fourth coat will help our case here. Alright guys, so I'm done. Here's the passenger window, not touched. So, you know, tinted glass, not tinted. And then, if we go over here, you can see that we have our tinted glass. So this was 4 coats of VHT Niteshades. I let it dry about 15 minutes. We did have some casualties. There's 2 spots. Maybe you can't see where bugs landed. So that kind of messed me up, but like I said, this wasn't like supposed to be crazy. This is just an experiment. This isn't like a road car, so I wouldn't show this off personally. But I think this could be done if you wanted to get real creative. And like I said, it got a little more shiny as it dried, more like a regular window. But you know what? I don't know. Tell me what you guys think down below. It's pretty unique, I'll give you that, and it does tint it. I mean, you can't even see in there. So make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video at all, and subscribe for awesome automotive content. And VHT also clears up your headlights, by the way. These were foggy before. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.